Wow, man, you're going fast in your little Dodge Challenger. Oh, God. He got pulled over.
Wake up!
Not a bad idea, and you can take the first letter. What did you say? Is it SC?
Socorro.
SC. SOC. It didn't work out to what I was thinking.
I don't know. I'm really torn on this, Karina, because I hear that you want the cash. Nerd. I wish he wasn't doing this to us.
I know, but then it's almost like you don't want, like, you want to just name your child her not for the money, you know?
Yeah,
like I feel like it's like you're gonna get the money and then you're gonna be like, I don't want it. This
Is there
doesn't
any
feel
way
right.
to get the money and you be able to name her? Is there any way to get?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Shoot out. There's a giant right there.
Mm-hmm.
And that's
Right here, the other one. And I don't know who that must be a Central Store.
San Mateo. Oh! Oh! You ran the red light!
Shall we?
Yeah, I guess we shall. The Honda ran the red light.
In front of me, I'm just backing out.
That's him yelling.
Lily, he's chasing. I don't know if you can hear him, but he's like, I don't know what's up with him, but
He's walking down.
oh, he's running down the middle of the road screaming. Something, I don't know what's wrong with him, but I have this all on video. Just so yeah, we're at 4th Street right now. 4th Street and Pine.
Okay, what type of vehicle are you in?
White Mazda. I'm like the one in the middle of the road backing up.
Okay, just be careful you don't hit this guy.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that.
Okay, so what's he screaming? He's just yelling.
Okay, he just took a run at me. He just tried dive bombing onto the hood.
Okay, I need you to get out of that area because
Yeah.
you don't know who this guy is.
Once they got it set up, I heard a little more talking, and then the camera made one final turn. During the turn, I could see that it was set up just along the woods. The camera finally stopped shaking, and there was a house centered within the frame. as small as it was. I could tell it was my house. I jumped up from my desk chair, but kept my eyes fixed on the screen. The men abandoned their camera and walked up to the house, walked up to my house. They stood at the door for what was probably 12 seconds, but it seemed like 5 minutes. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know if there was anything to do. They knocked on the door. I heard it faintly through my speakers. It wasn't the door.
What is going on?
Not hearing it within my house.
Guy thought I'm supposed to let him over.
The door. Nobody was there. Nobody was in the yard.
Who's prepared to pay the price? I'm doing 55. Mashed potatoes. Goody, goody, goody.
Well, I remember that episode very well. Sitting at the diner, right before you go into the diner and face down that albino looking guy. That's right. Actually, it wasn't him in the diner. It was, no. In the vehicle. I remember that episode very well. Sitting at the diner, right before you go into the diner and face down that albino looking guy. That's right. Actually, it wasn't him in the diner. It was, no, it was.
And don't forget, if you want your dashcam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.